Obstructive sleep apnea and chronic snoring affect millions of people worldwide. Yet today's treatment options have remained largely unchanged. CPAP therapy, mandibular advancement devices, or invasive surgery. It's time for a new approach. Introducing the Breathe Easy Snore Guard. No two patients are exactly alike. The Breathe Easy Snore Guard was designed with 4 interchangeable tongue stabilizers to better accommodate differences in anatomy. Combined with a horizontal and vertical adjustment, the appliance can be customized for a more personalized and comfortable fit. By stabilizing the tongue during sleep, the Breathe Easy Snore Guard helps maintain a more open airway, promoting improved airflow throughout the night. Sometimes, the best evidence speaks for itself. Designed for precision and simplicity, the Breathe Easy Snore Guard can be easily customized to each patient's unique anatomy. Its adjustable design allows clinicians to fine-tune the appliance while preserving natural jaw movement throughout the night. Designed with both clinicians and patients in mind, the Breathe Easy Snore Guard combines innovation, customization, and comfort in one unique oral appliance.
It's been a game changer for me. I noticed a huge difference the first time I put it in, just the way that I would fall asleep so much faster. And then when my wife is in the room with me, she'll nudge me if I fall asleep, and without it in, she'll say, "Put the guard in." And just like that, and I'll put it in and I'll fall right to sleep and she falls right to sleep and we sleep the rest of the night. I mean, it's that much better asleep for me. I never ever felt like I got into deep sleep until I started wearing this device.
My name is Chad Harris, and I'm the inventor of the Breathe Easy Snore Guard. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about this new and innovative approach to oral sleep therapy. I look forward to discussing and exploring how the Breathe Easy can become part of your company's future product portfolio. Thank you.